Genesis Magma Racing has hit a huge milestone in the journey toward its 2026 FIA World Endurance Championship debut. On July 9th at Le Castellet, the team successfully fired up its GMR 001 Hypercar for the first time, right on schedule. This was not just another step in the build, it was the moment the car truly came to life. Built in partnership with chassis experts Oreca, the development process began immediately after the 24 hours of Le Mans. Mechanics from both teams worked side by side, ensuring every part met tight deadlines. Under the hood is a V8 twin-turbo engine developed by Hyundai Motorsport's powertrain department, derived from a championship-winning rally motor. Engineers tested not only the engine but also the hybrid system, which channels energy to the rear drive shafts just like it will in racing conditions. With the first track run planned for late August, the excitement is building. This is just the beginning of a long testing phase that will shape GMR 001 into a true contender. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.